back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katy, and today we are featuring Entertaining with Disney, a staff favorite party planning book in our collection. It has you covered with ideas for decor, crafts, and recipes for everything from baby showers to outdoor movie nights to Valentine's Day. And today, we're taking a look at Hei Hei's cheese and melon bites from the Moana Summer Island Barbecue Party. Let's get started. For Hei Hei's cheese and melon bites, we will need 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 melon, such as honeydew, cantaloupe, or mini seedless watermelon, sliced, 1/4 cup mint, minced, plus extra for garnishing, 1 5.2 ounce container, garlic and herb soft spreadable cheese, 1 6 ounce package blackberries, 1 6 ounce package blueberries. To begin, we'll mix our honey and our lemon juice to make a dressing in this jar. We'll just put a lid on that and shake it well to combine. So we're going to place our melon slices in our bowl. Along with some of our mint and our dressing, and we'll toss well to combine. We'll take our slices and we'll lay them out on a platter. And then we're just gonna top them with a little bit of this garlic and herb cheese spread. Don't need a whole lot. And then on top of that, we're gonna place blackberries and blueberries. And we'll add a sprig of mint. And they're ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking by the Book, and we'll see you next time.